Hi Gretchen, so in this video we are going to do analysis of transaction for 2021 question paper which was written on March. All right, so please make sure that you also go and check the other question paper like 2019 up to 2023 and other questions guys that I made for June examination, final examination, as well as September. All right, so let's go to our information. You are provided with the information related to supporter traders, a business owned by Mtoko Piri for the month of March 2021. Required, analyze the following transaction according to the column provided. The column is this one, okay? And they said example, then they give us example. So a transaction number one, purchase the following item of Sigamize traders via EFT. Okay, then they said number one is trading stock and the other one is stationary for the owner's son of 1,000. All right, so guys, when we deal with accounting equation, we have to make sure that we follow this process. Okay, we have assets, we have equity, and we have liability. Assets always on the debit side, plus, minus, minus, plus, minus, plus. Make sure that you know this principle. When we come to liability, guys, if liability increase, we have to credit. If liability decrease, we debit. Okay. Now, let's check this purchase. This purchase has been made cash. Two purchases has been made cash. Number one, if something purchased cash, which means that business lost assets, which is bank. Okay, we lost cash because we paid, which means that our bank is going to be credited. Okay, we have to record them separate, guys. Remember, because number one, we purchase a stock. When we purchase a stock, our assets is going to increase, which means that we have to debit trading stock. Okay, the other one, the reason why we are doing it separate, it's stationary for owner's son is drawings, is for personal use, which is going to affect equity on the debit side, drawings. Okay, then the amount is going to be 11,240 and the other one is 1,000. So effect, assets decrease and increase. Trading stock increase assets and bank decrease assets. Bank decrease assets and drawings decrease equity. Just like that. Okay. Then number two, goods sold cash as per cash register tape. The cost price of these goods was 8,000. 8,000 is a cost price, guys, and the markup was 75%. Okay, let's start by a cost price is fine. A cost price, this is how we record it. A cost of sales and we credit trading stock. Why cost of sales on the debit? Because it's an expense. It's subtract equity. Trading stock, we sold it. It has go out of the assets. Okay, and the amount is 8,000. Okay, it's gonna be minus. Okay, number two still, because they said make two entries. The selling price, guys, we have to say 8,000 multiplied by 175 over 100, so that we can get what? A selling price of 14,000. Okay, selling price, this is how we record it. How did we sell it? Cash, which means that bank is going to be affected, as well as what? As well as sales. Okay, 14,000, bank increase, sales increase. Okay, number three, very simple. Number three, EFT payment for water and electricity to Opongolo municipality is 850. Okay, water and electricity is an expense which is going to reduce what? Equity. Water and electricity. And how did we pay? We pay EFT, which is cash, a bank. Okay, and the amount is 850. Okay, it's a minus and it's a minus this side. Okay, then number 4. The owner increased his capital contribution by transferring 75,000 from his personal account into a business. So a capital increase equity, which means that capital will come this side. Then bank will come this side because we receive what as a business? We receive money. He contributed cash. Okay, and the amount is 75,000. 75,000. Okay, which means that a bank is going to be plus and the capital is going to be a plus. Then this side will be unchanged. Okay, then number 5. Number 5, they said a business received a loan from AB Bank for 60,000. The loan is repayable after 3 years. Okay, we receive a loan, which means that our bank is increased, but liability also do what? Is increased. Okay, and the amount is 60,000. Okay, a bank is gonna be plus, and liability is going to increase. A liability increase here because it's increased on the credit side. Very simple. Okay, then number 6, an EFT transfer of 24,000 for fixed deposit that has matured on 31 March 2021. Okay, so in this case, we invest and the amount is mature. We invest the money to a bank and now the amount is matured, which means that number 6, bank is going to increase because that amount has matured and has been transferred to our account, and fixed deposit has been subtracted because the money has been transferred from fixed deposit to our bank. Okay, and the amount is 24,000. Very simple. Okay, so guys, please make sure that if you haven't purchased our study guide, please make sure that you purchase one so that we can add you into a WhatsApp group so that you can also enjoy with other students, so that if you have any question, we're just going to respond it into a WhatsApp group that we created for grade 10. So this guide, guys, have all the questions that you may need from term 1 up to term 4, which we also did solutions. All the solutions are there. So all the questions that we are doing in these videos and more other question paper that are not there on YouTube, they're there on the study guide so that it can prepare you to write a test as well as examination. So I hope this is going to be helpful for this part. So the last part, guys, it was to indicate the sign. Bank increase is going to be plus and the fixed deposit is going to be minus because it's assets as well. Then unchanged and unchanged. So please make sure that you share this video with friends, like the video, subscribe and become a part of us, guys, so that we can move together until year end, until to grade 12. I'm gonna see you on the next video.